Okay, I'm back. This is Ceasar with Small Engine Velocity with the Lycan, the Lifan Lycan 250. It is still in the crate. I still have to take it out. I got some people on the way, but I figured I can go ahead and start taking apart this framework and some of the other stickers and junk that's on the bike right now. If you didn't watch in the last video, 2 videos, we did the delivery. The second video, we did the actual reveal. It's probably the reason why you're here right now is because you want to see it come out of the box and actually see what it looks put all together. So if you're new here, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. This is a small bore channel where we work on small CC scooters and motorcycles, non-brand specific. This one happens to be sent to us by Lifan for demo to test for a non-bias or real review of a bike. And if you've ever watched any of my videos, I'm not afraid to be real. I'll always put a positive spin on some stuff sometimes, just because I don't like being negative. But this is a demo bike. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. But before we begin, let's go ahead and roll that intro. All right, so let me go ahead and grab some tools, and we'll go ahead and start taking this apart. Take the box apart and get it to the point where we can actually take it out, but I'm gonna obviously need some help. Alright, I got it out of most of the plastic, and you can kind of get a better idea of what it looks like. It's very shiny, like for sure it's shiny, but you know what, the first thing we gotta do is put the handlebars on. I gotta put the handlebars on so that I can handle this vehicle when it's time to take it off this thing. So let's do that first. Hey, it looks pretty cool. Handlebars feel like they're way up in the sky. Like, I guess that's how, like, these kind of bike riders ride. So let's go ahead and, I guess we could put the controls on for now. Yeah, we can put the controls on, and then, while we're waiting for some people to come over and help me take this off of here. The controls weren't hard to put on. There's a little hole in the controls, so you could put this in, clamp it down with 2 screws, and then another clamp right here to put this on. I'm going to tighten them down just like I did with the bars, but not a whole ton tight, because I'm sure that there's got to be some adjustment as to how these fit. And then of course I forgot to hook the brake lights. Oops. Right here. Oh my gosh, it won't focus. There. Gotta hook these in. Okay, so yeah, it's not too bad. It wasn't that hard. I'm gonna go ahead and record the other one. If you're curious what else came in the box, there is a little toolkit, I assume that could fit under the seat somewhere. An actual owner's manual. Look at that. Like, it has all the features. That's a step up. That's good. Oh, that's for the battery. This is the registration for the warranty card. This looks like some leather straps and rivets or buttons. I guess it goes somewhere on the bike. And then, of course, like last time, they have the battery that you have to... Ooh, there's two. Gotta fill it. You gotta fill it up. Bigger battery. And then inside here is... Oh, mirrors. And they're small. They're not like big giant mirrors. There you go. They're big chromy mirrors. Okay, well, let's put these on, see what they look like. Okay, this is worth noting. I've been trying to get this battery in here for like at least 30 minutes. Okay, so this is how you get the seat off. That's where I had the trouble the most. In the back, you have the seat with this reflector. You take this off, and then this seat comes off. And then there's this bracket right here that holds a little thing that sticks out for the main seat. And then the main seat comes out. Then you have to scoot some wires over here left and right, and then you put it in, but you're like, well, how do I connect them? Because the connectors face that way. Well, then you come over to the other side and use a 5mm Allen to take this plate off right here, and then you can screw the battery in. I hope that saves some people time, because that really took me a while to get that to get that right. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete that, get the battery in, and see what we can do about getting it off of here. I think I have some friends coming over right now, so that should be able to help. Okay, I'm gonna try to take it off by myself. No one's here yet. Might as well go ahead and take it off now. Yeah, no, I'm gonna need help, so I'll be right back whenever they get here. See you in a second. All right, now we have it off the stand. So now, if you look here, we are going to go ahead and attempt to do the first start.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh.
You nervous?
I'm so nervous. I'm so excited.
Well,
No, I'm turning off and on and priming.
Just making
the
sure.
fuel pump. Aiden, I said not on this side.
actually doesn't sound bad.
It's not bad at all.
Actually sounds kind of nice.
Woohoo! Gonna take it around the block?
Of course. Might as well, you just started it.
Alright, well there you go. First start, and I'm wearing orange shorts. And I'm climbing off the bike the wrong way. I'm driving around the block real quick. Okay, well, I'm impressed. The first impression, the very first thing I noticed when I rode this bike is I can get to first, second, third, and fifth, and I can find neutral instantly. That is amazing. Super smooth shifting, fast, and you know what? For being a China bike, the exhaust sounds, the stock exhaust sounds beautiful. No need to change this one. I mean, you don't have to, but man, it sounds great. Oh, I can't wait to do my first impressions video and then the detailed walk around, because I still have to get stats on it, because I'm not 100% sure on certain things on this bike and how they work or what features it has and all that stuff. Let me get all that out of the way first. But anyways, thank you for sticking around for this video. This was a really long one, but I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys liked it. There'll be more coming soon. The first look video should be coming out in a little while. I gotta ride it around for a little bit so that we can know, but there will be a first ride. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget, I'll see you guys in the next video. Look, there it is. Woot woot.